Welcome back to the room where it is happening. Thank you, COVID-19. I am Miri Rossitto, CEO of Cowe Communications. This is 7 Strategies, episode 4. We are on strategy number 3, and today's strategy is organization and the art of process and procedure. You do not want to hear about process and procedure from me because I am all thumbs when it comes to that topic. I love vision. I love the creative process. I love coming up with strategies. But in order to execute those strategies, you need someone who is good at the nuts and bolts of making that happen. And in my opinion, there is nobody better than Nicola Staples. Nicola Staples is my business partner. She is the heart and soul behind Cowe Communications. She is loved by many because she is as organized as they come. She is brilliant. You are going to learn a lot today. With no further ado, I am very proud to introduce you to Miss Nicola Staples.
Thank you, Miri, for that wonderful introduction. So I'm going to talk to you about the art of effective processes and procedures. Now, this might sound a little dry, but it really doesn't have to be. These days, there are so many great tools, apps, and platforms that can make these essential processes easy and fun. And I promise you, with the implementation of these processes and procedures, you will have all the makings of a very successful organisation. The first thing to keep in mind is to ensure your processes and procedures are concise and easy to use. If they are too long and complicated, you won't be able to effectively implement them. It is really important to give yourself a strong foundation. If you are starting a new company, the foundation is made up of your startup story. So that is your who, what, when, where, and why. It's also made up of the mission statement, the core values statement, and the value proposition statement. If you are rebranding or reevaluating a company that is already in business, the foundation can be retrofitted. You can revisit the founding story. You can review the who, what, when, where, how, and why. Consider, does your mission statement still apply? What have you been doing to achieve your mission statement? And probably more importantly, what have you not been doing to achieve it? It's absolutely fine to readjust. Most successful companies are always flexing, changing, and adapting to remain relevant and successful in their industry. Consider if your core values still apply. Have your value propositions changed? Whether it is just you or you have a team of 10, 100 or 1,000, you need to collate a centralised company information handbook. This should contain all the pertinent information for your business. All of your business's processes and procedures should also be included, and it should be updated yearly. Now, there are so many tools available to help keep your business organised and running efficiently, and I'm going to discuss just a few of these now. A CRM, which is a client relationship manager system, helps you manage customer data. It's the process of managing interactions with past customers as well as existing and potential customers. Depending on your business model, it can support sales management, deliver actionable insight, and in some cases, it can integrate with other tools that support your sales and marketing efforts, like your email and your social media platforms. There are some free CRMs like Insightly, and then there are paid CRMs that have much more functionality like Copper. We have found Copper to be extremely useful. It connects to Google Mail seamlessly. Another essential tool for supporting your day-to-day business function is a notes or files manager. There are a multitude of tools in this area, and some of our favourites at Cowe include Trello, Evernote, the Microsoft suite of products, and the Google Docs version, which we find extremely user-friendly for working in teams. Financial trackers and accounting software is another key tool which will help keep on top of your balance sheets, profit and loss statements, and your invoicing. Many also let you upload receipts and your daily records. QuickBooks and Wave apps are 2 tools that can help even those of us that aren't very mathematically minded. To help keep track of your marketing activity, there are many software tools to help. If you have social media channels for your business, then getting organised and planning ahead with your posts and then utilising a social media scheduler is a very worthwhile investment. If you have client email addresses, then an email automation system is a very useful tool. And to ensure your marketing efforts are working, you should use an analytics tool. For example, connecting your website to Google Analytics can help you see where your traffic is coming from, where they are navigating to, and how long they are staying. There are many HR management platforms that let you effortlessly manage everything from payroll, benefits and compliance, to employee performance management, engagement, and workflows. At this point, I want to make an important note. You really should track absolutely everything. Many of the tools I have spoken about help you do that. So where are the calls coming from and where are the emails coming from? How are your leads finding you? And where are your website visits coming from? And where are referrals coming from? You can rely on these tools and the people to help you track everything. And I wanted to end on the most important thing within your organisation, and that's the people. People are at the heart of everything you do. But how can you organise the people within your business? So you can give them autonomy, you can give them a career path, you can give them the tools they need to effectively carry out their roles, and you can give them feedback and regularly give them the opportunity to feed back to you. Empower people and they will in turn empower your organisation. So whilst utilising just a few of these tools in your business and investing your time and money in people and teams, it could really transform your business. I hope you found some of this information useful, and please keep an eye out for our next episode in our 7 Strategies series coming soon.